Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how to deploy the script or software from GLPI inventory plugin. Okay, so right now we are using GLPI server version 10.06. Okay, and before you can deploy, you need to install the plugin called GLPI inventory. Okay, so we go to configure and we need to copy the URL link to point the server from the client. So I copy it and I create the byte file. Okay, and my byte file called GLPI agent. So we edit it and we need to download the GLPI agent version 1.11 to the client PC, and we create the byte file that you can see MSI execute. Okay, this is the link and from my local network only. Okay, and please do not to forget add local or virtual deploy. If we didn't do that, we cannot deploy the software or script from GLPI server. Okay, so after we create the byte file, we need to install it by manual or deploy from the group policy. So from my testing, I use the manual byte file. Right now, we install complete and we go to program and feature. We can see GLPI agent version 1.11. Okay. Okay. Now we go to GLPI version computer asset computer and wait a few minutes. If you want to be fast or you want to force it, you need to go to the web browser and type localhost port 62354. Okay, after we put it, we can click force an inventory. Okay, and you can go back to the GLPI server and refresh and go to a set computer. Now you can see Win 10 has appeared on the set computer, and we click go to detail. We can see all the information that inventory from the client. Okay, we can see the operating system, component, version, software, everything. Okay, now we scroll down, we go to deploy packet deploy. Now packet deploy not available yet. We need to configure in GLPI inventory. Okay, so we go to administration and go to GLPI inventory. Okay, and then we go to general tab and go to computer group. We create a computer group to deploy, and I add the computer group inventory group. Okay, click add and go to criteria and tick Win 10 that just inventory last moment, and go to action, add to static group. Okay, now done for add computer to group, and then we go to the deploy tab. We need to create the packet management, so we go to add the packet. Okay, I put the name as that deploy, and for the drop down we use the inventory group. Okay, and click add, and now we go to packet actions, go to file, click plus icon, and type we use the upload from computer. Okay, go to I have created in my local computer, I create one byte file. Okay, this byte file for running the command to ping to Microsoft 365 and ping to Telegram and ping to Yahoo. Okay, so I choose that file and click add. Okay, and one more, we go to tab action and type, we select the command. So command, we need to write the name of the byte file and with extension. Okay, I type the test.bat. Okay, now we click add. Okay, so we create the package deploy. And one more, we go to target for deploy on demand, mean that we want someone or want the profile to do that. So I use the super admin to deploy the package. Okay, and now done, we go to asset and go to computer again, click on Win 10 and scroll down, we go to package deploy. Now you can see the drop down to select the package that you want to install. So I click it and I click the test deploy that we just create on the GLPI inventory. Okay, and now I click prepare for install. So when you click prepare for install, we can refresh it. So this activity will communicate between the GLPI server to the client PC. So we click refresh. Now we can see the activity to run from GLPI server to the client. So the script is running. Okay, that export to file HTML. And now I refresh again, I see the file has successfully. Okay, and I open that file. Okay, this is the user experience test report, mean that I want to ping to Outlook, Office 365.com, telegram.com, yahoo.com and export to HTML file. So now we can see the file and file has executed to the local computer. So mean that the GLPI server can communicate with the client and run the script with the silently. Okay, so this is important for user for install software or install any script to the client PC by silently. Okay, now this video has end. If you have any question, you can contact me or put the comment in this video. I will reply back. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more.